Hello there, my name is Tom and I'm bringing you this emergency Bitcoin update. Now, in this video, really, I'm gonna try to keep it as short as possible, and in this video, I really want to discuss a few important aspects that are coming. A lot of people send me a lot of messages on Instagram and on Twitter, and by the way, follow me on both social media platforms, and saying that, Thomas, but what if now this current situation that you've showed previously in the previous video, and if you haven't watched it, please watch it because it's a very important video. And what if it's gonna go down all the way to this potential level of $26,700? And the answer is in this video. So before we get into it, please smash up that like button. And also down in the description of this video, you'll find a link to a $50,000 prize pool online trading competition by Thomas. So register right here. It's a free registration. It's gonna be there for some time. So register, claim your seat in it, and then you will win up to $50,000 in prizes, in real cash, and also a one seat at Kralo Trading Show Season 2. And then it's, as it says here, top winner wins a seat for Season 2. So just click, there is a link down in the description of this video. Click register right now, and then show what you can do as a trader. It doesn't really cost anything, so might as well participate and show what you can do as a trader. And yes, hit that like button, smash it up right now, because I promised you to give you a $50,000 prize pool trading competition, and I found a way to do it. So use the link below, and always please do join my trading Telegram channel, which you can also find down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, which is super useful if you want to stay alerted to the market moves. And as always, please hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And without any further ado, I'm not gonna forget about this time. Here is the pre-roll. Let's go. Okay, so in this instance, of course, again, as mentioned previously, we could potentially see, if we forget about all the support that we have at $30,000, 34, 38, 29, etc., all the volume profile, and just pay attention to this big situation right now in the grand scheme of things, and you're looking at Bitcoin since its whole inception, its whole history, basically, so to speak. Then the worst case scenario, as mentioned in the previous video, could be this drop down to $27,000 or so. But before we get into any of that, let's just go to our current situation, which is going to be our daily chart, or the weekly chart. Actually, let me just find it. But remember that if we're gonna pull back up real quick, and the weekly candle is gonna close just in a few days, we're gonna close at least above $45,000, so 44,700. That's gonna be already really good. But right now, if you really, and that's why, I cannot believe that this is currently happening and that I'm actually saying this, but again, you know me, that I've done my own fair share of shorting of Bitcoin. So currently, I just wanted to show you an example of what you can do to protect your own portfolio. And again, you remember, I've done these hedges before, and for example, let's just mark it somehow like this. And I haven't marked this myself. Just we're doing this all together. So here is a very interesting consolidation that we had when we broke these most important levels. The move started again with this move right here, with this false break right here of this super important level, and then it broke this one, and now we're down here doing some consolidation, which is actually, you could say this is bullish, bearish, whatever. In my opinion, it's in this instance, it's more into trend, so it's a bit more bearish. And if you want to be, and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do with this in case if you're believing that in a long-term perspective, this is going to be driving the price down to at least retest 39,000, 38, or potentially 34, and even lower. So in that instance, if you believe in the chart that I've showed you previously, then you could potentially hedge your trade, and you can actually hedge your entire crypto portfolio, and you can do it over on Bybit. And with my exclusive link, which you can find down in the description of this video, you'll get up to $4,100 of free bonuses on top, in the way of real money, of cash, on top of your initial deposit, which you can use for trading, and also a 30% discount on commissions and fees and withdrawal fees. And when actually you click this link, there is also a video instruction. You guys and girls were asking me for a video instruction of how to actually claim that bonus over on Bybit and actually get those $4,100. So click that link down in the description or in the pinned comment and watch the video instruction and then go and claim that incredible bonus for your trading. So currently, once again, let me just show you what you could use over on Bybit and hedge your high portion of your portfolio or your entire crypto portfolio. And that is, we're having this consolidation with very distinct support and resistance. We had some interesting breakout, which turned out to be a false break right here. It sent price right through it. However, we actually needed to find some kind of a breakout out of it because it just cannot keep consolidating infinitely. So if we're going to take a look at the volume right here, then we can see that right here, we actually had some volume, but then it got pushed down. So right now, this is currently a very interesting moment for us to enter into a short trade. You could potentially do it with a stop loss at about $44,000 right here. And also another option could be if we come back, but this could be a bit risky because we might not come back to it, and retest this level again and then go down from here. And basically with a target of, let's go to the daily chart and find the next target that we currently have, and go to the target of about $40,000, because the closest biggest target currently that we have is about $40,000, $40 to $41,000. So this could be your initial first target using this incredible nice flag formation right here, and price actually following through and actually let me just go back to this one and remove this drawing, and I could actually keep going down right now. So this could be an interesting short trade which you could use to actually protect your crypto portfolio right now, in case if this bigger scale chart that I've showed you is actually going to play out and we're going to see a retest of potentially $30,000 or $34,000. So this is something that actually has saved me a lot of money along the way. It's just an interesting way to behave in the world of crypto investing. And as always, please let me know down in the comments. Make some noise for Mr. Spot On if you've enjoyed this video. If you've done something like this or you already are in a short trade, please, I would really want to know. Make some noise down in the comments. Tell me about it. And as always, please stay smart, stay rich. Have an amazing weekend, upcoming weekend, and I'll see you very soon. Ciao, ciao.